Winter School titled Multiculturalism as a Way of Life in Azerbaijan, Learn, Explore, Share 2016 continues. Participants visited Baku International Multiculturalism Center and the State Committee for Work with Religious Organizations.
Participants of the Winter School entitled Multiculturalism as a Way of Life in Azerbaijan, Learn, Explore, Share 2016 met with the State Advisor Multinational Multiculturalism and Religious Issues Kemal Abdullayev at Baku International Multiculturalism Center. Giving detailed information about the traditions of tolerance in Azerbaijan, Kemal Abdullayev noted that multiculturalism is a centuries-old way of life of the people of Azerbaijan. People of different nationalities and religions have the same rights in Azerbaijan. They have been living together in the atmosphere of brotherhood and friendship for centuries. It was outlined that according to the executive order by the head of state, 2016 was declared as the year of multiculturalism in our country, and it was an indicator of friendly and brotherly coexistence of the ethnic communities living in Azerbaijan. During the meeting, information was provided about the book entitled Multiculturalism Resources of Azerbaijan, published by the International Center for Multiculturalism. Participants of the Winter School also visited the State Committee for Work with Religious Organizations. Chairman of the committee, Mubariz Gurbanlı, spoke about the state-religion relations historically established in our country. He provided information about traditions of tolerance in Azerbaijan, multicultural environment, and Armenian-Azerbaijani Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. He noted that the foundation of multiculturalism in Azerbaijan is based on the national values. The state policy of the country also supports the tolerance. Foreign students noted the high traditions of multiculturalism in Azerbaijan. International Multiculturalism Winter School attended by the students and foreign experts from Russia, Switzerland, Ukraine, Turkey, Italy, Portugal, Poland, the Czech Republic, Lithuania, Germany will continue until February 15th. Participants will visit Kuba, Khachmaz and Gusar as well.